Since the early 2000s, the world of RC aviation has taken off. Thanks to advancements in lightweight materials, powerful motors, high-capacity batteries, and cutting-edge electronics, flying remote-controlled aircraft has transformed from a niche pastime into a high-tech, high-thrill hobby. From towering warbirds to jumbo jet replicas with wingspans rivaling those of real aircraft, these RC giants are redefining what's possible in the world of model aviation. So, strap in and prepare to be blown away by the most colossal RC planes ever to take flight. RC Boeing B-17 Flying Fortress. The RC Boeing B-17 Flying Fortress is a detailed replica of the iconic World War II bomber. With wingspans varying from 1.875 meters to over 4 meters, these models are powered by 4 electric or gas engines. Features include functional bomb bay doors, retractable landing gear, and authentic military markings. Advanced versions may incorporate sound systems to emulate engine noise and machine gun fire. Flight performance is characterized by stable cruising, realistic takeoffs, and the ability to perform formation flying. The RC-B-17 serves as a flying homage to the bravery of the crews who operated the original aircraft during wartime. RC-B-52 Stratofortress. The RC-B-52 Stratofortress is an impressive replica of the long-range, subsonic, jet-powered strategic bomber. With a wingspan of approximately 6.7 meters, this model often incorporates 8 turbine or electric ducted fan engines, mirroring the original's power plant configuration. It features functional bomb bay doors, retractable landing gear, and detailed military livery. The model's flight performance includes stable cruising, realistic takeoffs, and the ability to perform scale bombing runs. Its presence at RC events showcases the engineering prowess required to replicate such a complex aircraft. The RC-B-52 serves as both a flying model and a historical tribute to a key player in aerial warfare history. RC Douglas DC-10 MD-11. The RC Douglas DC-10 and MD-11 models replicate the wide-body Tridget airliners known for their long-range capabilities. With wingspans ranging from 4.2 to 4.8 meters, these models are powered by 3 turbine engines. Features include functional control surfaces, retractable landing gear, and detailed airline liveries. The model's flight performance mirrors the stability and grace of the original aircraft, making them favorites among RC pilots. Advanced versions may incorporate lighting systems and realistic engine sounds. These RC aircraft serve as tributes to the golden age of commercial aviation. RC Boeing 747 400 by Adi Pitts. Adi Pitts' RC Boeing 747 400 is a marvel in the world of radio-controlled aviation. This 1:13 scale model boasts a wingspan of 4.95 meters and a length of 5.43 meters, weighing approximately 68 kilograms. Powered by 4 IQ Hammer 140 turbine engines, it delivers impressive thrust and realistic jet sounds. The model features retractable landing gear, functional navigation lights, and a detailed fuselage adorned with Virgin Atlantic livery. Its construction spanned over a decade, reflecting meticulous craftsmanship and dedication to detail. The RC-747 400's flight performance mirrors that of its full-scale counterpart, offering smooth takeoffs, stable cruising, and graceful landings. This RC has captivated audiences at various air shows, showcasing the pinnacle of RC engineering and the passion of its creator. RC Lockheed C-130 Hercules. The RC Lockheed C-130 Hercules is a versatile model reflecting the multi-role capabilities of its full-scale counterpart. With a wingspan ranging from 4 to 5 meters, it is typically powered by 4 electric or turbine propeller engines. The model features functional cargo doors, retractable landing gear, and detailed military or civilian livery. Some versions include operational features like paratrooper drops or cargo deployment. Its flight characteristics are marked by stable handling, short takeoff and landing capabilities, and the ability to perform various mission profiles. The RC C130 is a favorite among hobbyists for its blend of functionality and historical significance. RC Airbus A380, the Emirates livery. The RC Airbus A380 is a testament to modern RC design, replicating the world's largest passenger airliner in stunning detail. With a wingspan of approximately 5.2 meters, this model features a dual-deck fuselage, functional wing flaps, and retractable landing gear. Constructed from durable EPO foam and reinforced carbon fiber, it balances strength with lightweight agility. Pilots can choose between electric or gas engines, allowing flexibility in performance. Advanced 2.4 GHz radio systems ensure precise control, while LED lights enhance visibility during flight. The Emirates livery adds authenticity, making it a favorite among aviation enthusiasts. Whether displayed or flown, the RCA 380 offers an immersive experience, capturing the grandeur of its real-life counterpart. RC Concorde Supersonic Jet. The RC Concorde Supersonic Jet brings the iconic Delta Wing aircraft to the RC world. With a wingspan of around 4 meters and a length of approximately 10 meters, this model captures the sleek design and elegance of the original. Powered by turbine engines, it achieves impressive speeds, emulating the supersonic capabilities of the Concorde. The model features functional control surfaces, retractable landing gear, and detailed livery, often reflecting the British Airways or Air France designs. Its flight characteristics include smooth takeoffs, agile maneuvers, and stable landings. The RC Concorde is a favorite at air shows, drawing attention for its size, speed, and historical significance. It stands as a tribute to one of aviation's most remarkable achievements. RC Avro Vulcan Bomber. The RC Avro Vulcan Bomber is a striking model of the British Delta Wing strategic bomber. With a wingspan of approximately 5.5 meters, it is typically powered by 4 turbine engines. The model features functional control surfaces, retractable landing gear, and authentic Royal Air Force livery. Its flight characteristics include smooth takeoffs, agile maneuvers, and the ability to perform the iconic Vulcan howl during throttle transitions. The RC Vulcan is a crowd favorite at air shows, known for its distinctive design and impressive flight performance. It stands as a tribute to British aviation engineering and Cold War history. RC Antonov An-2 125 Maria. The RC Antonov An-2 125 Maria is a colossal model replicating the world's heaviest aircraft. Built at a 1:16 scale, it features a wingspan of 5.8 meters and a length of 5.3 meters, with a takeoff weight of approximately 93.5 kilograms. Powered by 2 Bihotech JB180 turbine engines and 490mm EDF units, it produces a combined thrust of 47 kilograms. The model includes a 32-wheel landing gear system, functional control surfaces, and detailed livery. Its flight performance showcases smooth takeoffs, stable cruising, and graceful landings. The RC An-2 125 stands as a tribute to aerospace engineering and the legacy of the original aircraft. RC Fokker Doctor 1 Triplane. The RC Fokker Doctor 1 Triplane is a faithful reproduction of the World War I fighter famously flown by the Red Baron. With a wingspan of approximately 1.02 meters, this balsa wood kit offers builders the opportunity to recreate the iconic triplane. Recommended power systems include a 2216 to 2814 1250 to 1400 kV motor and a 3S4S LiPo battery. The model features authentic detailing, including the distinctive 3-wing design and German military markings. Flight performance is characterized by agility and the ability to perform classic aerobatic maneuvers. The RC Fokker DR One serves as a flying piece of history, commemorating early aviation and aerial combat.